Toto. Ay natapos na. No? Nilagay ko ng balance ng bata ko kasi Gina sa kagat. No, hindi pa ako maglahat pero syempre kay ilan yung mga plano. Salamat mo ko sa Ginoo na dayon mga ilang plano. Kaya ilan ang ginabala ng mama nakapit dito. Pero ginapasalamat sa mga sa Ginoo kay ginaplangga niya magyapon si Toto, para makamagapon sa iya, nagagay, no? Sa pasalamat na sa mga friend niya na nagkakot. Hindi kay bago dalangin ka muna met, no? Kag sa mga tito-tita niya, nagpasalamat mo ko sa inyong tanan niya nag-prepare sa mga food, sa tanan-tanan nining wala kami nag-expectar. God bless good sa inyo. Pag ang mapayo ko ng sumuto, mutuong kamayo, kaya ang mga nakalipan ni Papa mo. Yung makatapos na sa school.
Last but not the least, ang beloved.
Let's welcome him with open arms, with hearts full of love, and voices raised in jubilant celebration. So
Left you out there standing, just falling on the landing. Champagne problems, thumb on the string in your pocket, my picture in your wallet, your heart that's try to stop it. Champagne problems. Told your family for a reason. You couldn't keep it in. Your sister splashed out on the bottle. Now no one to celebrate it. Don't carry on, you brought it. No crowd of friends applauded. Your hometown skeptics called it champagne problems. You had a speech, you were speechless. Love slipped beyond your reaches, and I couldn't give a reason. Champagne problems. The middle touch on the Chevy door. Remember flush and the flat up floor. This door was once an house. I made a joke, but it's made for me. How? Evergreen or group of friends, don't think or say that word again, and soon they'll have to learn to deck the halls that we once walked through. One for the money, two for the show. I never was ready, so watch you go. Sometimes you just don't know the answer. Someone's on their knees and ask you. She wouldn't date such a lovely bride with a shit. She's fucked in the head and say she would have been pretty instead. She patched up the tapestry that I shred. From Perry on, you brought it. All the friends applauded. Your steps. Champagne problems. Your mom in your pocket. Her picture in your wallet. You won't remember all my champagne problems. You won't remember all my champagne problems. Won't remember all my champagne problems. You can say that I was enchanted with you. Your eyes spread out with mine. Lost your room and silhouette starts to make its way to me.
Marion.
Marion, may wings, di ba na Marion?
So while we're eating, one of Paula's cousin, Ralph Aldrin, will be serenading us during dinner.